Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about Milne's predictor method. I am Sanskar Datta from SVC Bangalore. So what is Milne's predictor method? It is a method. It's a mathematically sound approach used to predict numerical solutions to differential equations. Let's explore this method and its practical applications in scientific fields. So Milne's predictor-corrector method. So predictor-corrector methods form the basis of the most successful codes for the solution of initial value problems of ordinary differential equations. Briefly, these methods have been successful because they occur in naturally arising families covering a range of orders. They have reasonable stability properties and they allow for easy error control via step size order changing policies and techniques. So why is it named as prediction and corrector? So the initial prediction step starts from a function fitted to the function values and derivative values at a preceding set of points. To extrapolate means it, in other words, it's anticipate this function's values at a subsequent new point. The next is corrector. The corrector step refines the initial approximation by using the predicted value of the function and another method to interpolate that unknown function's value at the same subsequent point. So Milne's predictor approach. So there are three steps basically: predictor step, corrector step, and iterative process. So let's see predictor step. Predict the next value of the function using the three previous values. Next is corrector step. Correct the predicted value using the values at the previous time intervals. The third one is iterative process. This process is repeated until the solution converges to the desired accuracy. So, Milne's predictor-corrector method is also used in science. So, these are some of the examples. There are many examples actually, but these are only some. So, it's used in physics. Milne's predictor-corrector method is used in simulating electromagnetic fields in physics. In biology, this approach is also used in computational biology to simulate gene regulatory networks. And then it's aerospace engineering. This method is used to simulate rocket propulsion in aerospace engineering. So the advantages of Milne's predictor corrector method. These are some of the advantages. There could be many actually. So it has high accuracy. The method is known for its high accuracy in predicting numerical values to differential equation. It's extremely stable. Milne's predictor-corrector method is highly stable, ensuring its applicability in various fields. It's efficient. It is an efficient method, especially for stiff equations with rapidly oscillating solutions. So these are some of the limitations of Milne's predictor-corrector method. The initial value problem. The method is only applicable for problems with initial value problems and not boundary value problems. The next is higher order problems. It gets more complicated to use for higher order problems than second order differential equations. The third one is limited convergence. Milne's predictor method may converge slowly or fall uh, to or fail to converge in some cases. So we learned about the advantages, and next is we learned about the limitations of the Milne's predictor corrector method. So basically, it has some pros and cons. Here are some of the practical examples. So first one is the stiff ODs. It is used in solving stiff initial valuation problems such as chemical and mechanical processes. Next is optimization problems. Milne's predictor-corrector method is used in solving optimization problems, including cryptography. Third is machine learning. So machine learning is basically Python. So interference between objects in machine learning can be made through predictor-corrector systems. So conclusion: what and all we learned? We learned about the pros and cons about Milne's predictor-corrector method, and we learned about the applications of this used in science, and then some practical examples, and also learn why it is named as predictor corrector method. So what's written here is that Milne's predictor corrector method is essentially numerical analysis, and its high accuracy, stability, and efficiency make it popular in scientific fields. So basically, these are the advantages of Milne's predictor corrector method. It has some limitations, but it continues to be tool for many mathematical problems. It might be having some limitations, but it's still one of the most popular methods used in scientific fields. So this is what we learned about Milne's predictor corrector method, and thank you.